Hi, it's Charles Clifton Forex Trader here with a short video about our new chart partner console for the MetaTrader 4 platform. Now, if like me you've been using MetaTrader for some time, you'll have noticed that it's pretty much almost impossible to read. Let's just take this chart here as an example. Now, this is a standard MetaTrader 4 chart. It's been cleaned up a little, but effectively this is what you're given, this is what you're left with. You'll notice almost straight away that a lot of the things that you need to know about this particular chart are almost impossible to read, and I struggle. And by which I mean things like what instrument are we looking at, what time frame are we on, what's the current price, and the open, the high, low prices, etc., etc. It just goes on. We recently decided to address this issue on our own charts, and we'd like to make this solution available to you for free. So let me show you the same chart with our chart partner console installed. Now you'll notice that quite a lot has just appeared on the top left corner of the screen. Instantly the difference is clear. It's like night and day. All of the key data that you need is easy to find and easy to read. So standard chart with our chart partner console. Exactly the same story with a dark template with our chart partner console installed. It literally is night and day. You'll notice straight away that the basic data, we've kind of divided this console into three sections. We've got the basic data, which first and foremost is what instrument are you looking at. Previously you have the little tiny writing up there in the very, very top left. Well, we've emblazoned it across your screen here for you. So it's the Aussie Kiwi SB. That tells me that I'm on my broker spread bet server. Basically anything that you have here in your market watch panel, you'll notice here we're looking at Aussie Kiwi SB. The SB is included by the broker. We've left that in there because, let's say for argument's sake, you're trading gold or oil or anything else, to be honest. Whatever appears in that market watch window will appear here. We've also included the time frame in large letters, so you don't have to go rooting around up here to find out where you are. Change it to 1 hour, you can see the H1 changes. Change it to 15 minutes, see the M15 there. Let's go back to the 30-minute. Instrument, current price, very large, 10700. You could always go rooting around down here in the vertical scale, but I don't know about you, I find that impossible. Instrument, time frame, price, all where you need it. We've also included the open, the high and the low prices as well. You'll notice that these are color coded. In actual fact, if you hover over anything on this console, you'll get a little pop-up that will tell you what it is and a very brief description of how to interpret it. So for argument's sake, that we know that today's open on this particular instrument was 1 spot 0695. It's red, therefore it was lower than yesterday's open. The same is true with the high price and the low price. Fantastic. Instrument, price, open, high, low. You notice an S at the end. That's your broker's spread. Okay, I'm on a fixed spread platform, so that figure is not going to change for this instrument. If you're on a variable spread platform, that figure will change, particularly coming up to tier 1 risk events like I don't know, central bank announcements or non-farm payrolls, etc. Obviously your spread is your cost of trade, so you need to know what that number is and it needs to be readily accessible. We've put it right where you need it. That's the basic data. Now we've expanded the basic data as well. So you'll notice these two little rows here. The top one starts with a green 4. Hover over it. Today's pips gained or lost since open. Green if instrument is up on the day, red if instrument is down. We know instantly we're 1 spot 0699 and we're 4 pips up on the day. We've had a 31 pip ATR, so that's effectively measuring what's happened today since yesterday's close. That instrument has moved 31 pips in total, only 4 pips up on the 5 pips now up on the open. The 51 next to it is your average move, so a 3-week rolling ATR. That's your average move. Okay, that gives you an idea of the kind of volatility that you can expect on any given instrument. The row underneath it, you'll notice they're all green. They've all got percentage markers behind them. The first one, 0%, pretty much flat on the day. We haven't really moved that much. 0.6% up on the week and 0.8% up on the month. Now these are rolling weeks and rolling months. There's no start, no end. It just rolls through. It gives you a really good indication of how this particular instrument is performing in the bigger picture. So there's your what we call expanded data. We decided to go a little bit further still. you'll notice on the very top a row of icons. Hover over it, tells you what you're looking at, click it. It'll fire your browser almost immediately. We're having a bit of a Friday slowdown here, I think. All the networks are running quite slowly. Basically, click it. The first one, that's our logo, takes you straight to our website homepage. You're going to find an absolute ton of really good quality information in here to help you as a retail trader. Okay, you're welcome to have a look around, sign up, don't sign up, entirely your choice. Okay, let's go back to the chart. The second icon is a key. Now that's a login sign up page. Click it, let it load. Chart partner, sign up or log in. If you have login credentials, fantastic, enter them there. If you don't, you'll notice a free sign up button. Go ahead, it's going to cost you nothing, and you'd be very, very surprised what you're going to find on the other side. There's also a really short video here just giving you some idea of what actually lies on the other side, the kind of resources that we make available to you. Okay, let's go back to our chart again. The third icon, support. Give that a click, your browser will fire up again, and it will take you to our chart partner support page. Here you're going to find a slightly more in-depth video regarding the information that is contained within this console and how you can use it as a trader to your advantage to really get a feel for what any given instrument is doing at any given time. Much more detailed, it's worth a watch. If you have a specific query, shall we say, about the use of the console and it's not covered in the video, feel free, ask me a question. That will take you straight over to a contact page. Ask me a question, even if it's unrelated to the console. I'd still love to hear from you. Okay, the bit that's probably taken your eye now are these two rows of text underneath. This is our one-click access side of the business. Clicking, for example, twice daily Forex strong week tables will, in one click, take you straight to your login page. Now, if you're not logged in, this is what you're likely to see. If you are logged in, this is what lies on the other side of that particular link. It's part of my signal service. This is just beyond anything you're going to find anywhere else. Just there's a lot of details, a lot of information. There's another video about how to make money using these tables, but I'll just give you a really quick overview. So there's today, Friday 27th of April. You'll notice that we've got trend trader table and we've got two day trader tables. The trend trader 9 o'clock in the morning, day trader 9 o'clock in the morning, and the day trader 5 o'clock in the afternoon. You'll notice here that the strongest currency on the trend trader table is the US dollar. You'll also notice that that is prevalent on the day trader table as well. If I take us back to our chart, you'll notice underneath here, today's date, USD still long. This is the kind of information that we as traders are going to be able now to put onto your desktop to give you guys a really good heads up as to really what's moving the market at this moment in time. Now, these are facts. These aren't things that we're making up. This isn't my opinion. This is absolute fact. Dollar is strong. If you happen to be holding a dollar short position and you see that pop up on your screen, you're liable to want to revisit your position and perhaps reevaluate whether or not it's something you actually want to hold in the market. Alternatively, if you're unaware of the fact that dollar is rallying, you'll know about it straight away because we're going to put it on your desktop for you. So that's the one-click access side of this particular console. Compatibility wise, to the best of our knowledge, this chart partner console works with all instruments on all MT4 platforms as provided by all brokers. Now, obviously, if you find one it doesn't work on, please pop me a message through the homepage on my website. Let me know. To the best of my knowledge, again, it works with all CFD and SB accounts. So that's contract for difference and spread bet accounts. If you're outside the UK, you're probably going to be using a CFD. Not a problem. It works. It also works on any chart and on any chart size. And let me just demonstrate that for you by coming over to here. That's the MetaTrader tiled view. They're all the same chart, but we're just using this as a means of letting you see for yourself, back to back, side to side, as it were. The ones on the left, you really can't see what's going on. The ones on the right, it's clear as day. It doesn't matter if you're using a white template, a dark template. It works with any color template. It's just one of those things that you'll get used to having it there. And if it's not there, if you suddenly find yourself presented with this, you will find yourself thinking, hello, I don't quite know what's happening here. So how do you get this for your charts? Well, the download is completely free. Just click the download link, which you will find underneath this video. You will then instantly be taken by magic to our download page. You'll find a step-by-step installation guide there. Just click and watch this video. It's quite important that you do, because there are some configuration settings that you need to get right in order to make it work with your particular MetaTrader template. Watch the video, hit the button, free download, no email required. Okay, we're not asking for anything for this. It's such a useful piece of kit. We use it. There's a reason why we use it. And we're pretty sure that you will want to use it too, so we want to make it as easy as possible for you to get this onto your charts. It will literally take you 2 minutes. 2 minutes. Watch the video, click the download link. 2 minutes later, this is what you're going to be looking at. Okay, so there it is, a quick introduction to our chart partner console for the MetaTrader 4 platform. We really hope you like it. We really hope you're going to download it, and we really hope that you're going to find it as useful as we do. So thanks for watching, guys. Take care. We'll talk again soon.